Regis Romero to say a little bit about the awards. The awards, Fellow in Real Estate Management and Diplomate in Real Estate Management were conceptualized in the early 2000s by a group of mentors, lecturers, and academic professors in real estate management, honoring those exemplary achievements and accomplishments of selected individuals who excel in their field in real estate, whether they are developers, educators, brokers, appraisers, consultants. Through the years, we have granted since 2000 about more than 100, only 100 awardees. But in 10 years ago, Pepsi Philippines took over the helm and granted awards, especially to people who have excelled in their craft in real estate. Among others, I would mention Secretary Frederick Go of the Office of the Secretary of Education Concerned, and other dignitaries, including Dr. Regis Romero, Architect Mangyo, and Dr. Valentino Dulalia. That's why this is a very prestigious and honorable awards that are conferred to only selected individuals in the field of real estate. Imagine, for 30 years, only 100 were given this prestigious award, and tonight we are honoring the awardees for Fellow in Real Estate Management. Congratulations to all.
Thank you very much, our host. Moving on, we have Gigi Roa, once more past president, vice president for Education Philippine Federation of Real Estate Service Professionals.